Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. This is a quick bonus video because I realize I have one more subscription that I get that I haven't shared with you, and that is Ipsy, which always comes in this bright pink metallic envelope. So I can't even really call it an unboxing, it's an enveloping. And this is usually just kind of deluxe trial sizes. So let's see what's in here this month. All right, the first thing is Unicorn Glow. All right, what the heck is Unicorn? Long Wear Primer. Okay, well, I'll give it a try. Oh, I did order this separately. This Babe Lash, I paid for that. This is a full size. They had a good deal, and then it came free shipping because I got it with my regular monthly stuff. Oh, and in case the Long Wear Primer isn't the right thing, then there's another primer, which is the Hydrating Primer. Heading into winter, that might be a good thing. And every month there's a small bag. This is interesting. It's got a crystal, if it's a real crystal. I kind of doubt it. And in here we have Sundaes. What is Sundaes? I mean, it feels like it's got to be a lip product, but let's open it up and find out. No, it's nail polish in a shade I probably won't wear. Okay, maybe, maybe not. And a single eyeshadow from Carry On. You suppose that's the brand? Private Jet Carry On. Oh, it's a highlighter from IBY Beauty. Never heard of it. Honestly, given from what they're showing on the outside, I would not use this as a highlighter, but it might make a beautiful eyeshadow. Let's remember we never have to feel constrained because they tell us one thing. Oh, no, okay, I'm wrong. That is definitely a highlighter. And, oh, that kind of shows up. All right, that's pretty. I'll be glad to have that. And, oh, here's something from Ofra. Safety sealed for my protection. And this is blush from the looks of it. Okay, Madison Miller blush. All We Need Is Love is the color on this. And that is lovely. Let me pick a different finger here. Okay, that's a nice, soft, little bit deeper than peach towards kind of orangey. Coral? No, not even coral. There's no pink in it. All right, that is nice for this winter. Here's another tube from Kula. This is Mineral Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen. Oil-free, SPF 30. I like getting these kind of deluxe trial sizes. This helped me figure out, you know, good sunscreen to use, what's going to work well under foundations. And last but not least is a little teeny tiny Benefit Give Me Brow. And that is in shade Warm Golden Blonde 2. It's so tiny, right? Little teeny tiny. Are you going to focus on that? There it goes. Little teeny tiny spoolie for doing brows. And yeah, I'm still kind of in the market for a Holy Grail brow product, so I'm glad to have that. And that is Ipsy. And I should have looked up how much Ipsy is. I think it's 10 bucks a month, but if you sign up for a whole year, it's cheaper. Anyway, when I edit, I will pop the information up here somewhere. Thanks so much for joining me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. Have a super day.